Content creation is also another way you can monetize your skills on ChatGPT, though this may not always earn you much in the short term, but in the long term, it's going to bring you much rewards. Depends on how you work hard towards it. So, content creation is basically putting out content or using ChatGPT to generate content that will be useful to people out there. So, we've already spoken about quite a number of them, like freelance content creation. I'm not going to touch more on that again, but we'll go to blog posts. So what's blog posting? So we have people who have blogs that speak on specific topics. So let's say, for example, you are interested in cooking, you're interested in dancing, you can start a blog that has to do with dancing or cooking skills and all that. So with ChatGPT, you are able to generate the content and always upload it to your own blog, or you can reach out to people who already have blogs, telling them that you can write content for them. This is also a freelancing approach, and you write content for them at a charge, or you start your own blog, grow it to a point where you can use Google AdSense or any form of advertising to advertise your blog and start making money out of it. So blog posting is one way you can make money. Content creation, that's video content creation. So you can also create videos. Nowadays with the AIs coming up, you can use 11 Labs to auto your voice, or even other platforms to create this content without your face appearing. You can now start a whole YouTube channel without having your face to appear. My channel is just a few videos, my face appears, but it's okay. So you can create content with Chat GPT and translate them into videos, or find ways of creating videos out of them and posting them on your website, on your YouTube channel, on whichever platform you wish to do that. And you can also reach out to people to get their content or to create content for them. And this goes a long way. And there are various ways to monetize this that you can check out online. Podcasting is also another method. So podcasting, contrasting to video creation, is the use of voice to carry out your message. So there are various podcasting platforms that you can actually podcast. So you don't need to necessarily write a script from your head. You can write the script using ChatGPT, which we've learned already. So once you write the script, all you have to do is just to do the voiceover, upload it to the podcasting website, and promote. And you can monetize this in various ways. Social media content creation is also another way to monetize your skills on ChatGPT. You can create content on social media to grow your following, and once you've grown your following, you can monetize that account through your own strategies, through affiliate marketing, through selling, and others. So these are ways that you can monetize through content creation. Another method that I forgot to add on the list here is book writing. We've already spoken of book writing, but book writing is also a method of content creation that you can do.